In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 for keyword research. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign in to your Helium 10 account, and then you want to hover over products over here, hover over find keywords to drive traffic, and then we're going to be using a magnet for this one. So go ahead and where it says discover relevant keywords, click on the magnet over here, this button to the right. This is going to take you to their so-called magnet, which basically is a keyword research tool inside Helium 10. So here you have to click on find suggestions. Of course, you can also analyze keywords as well, but we're going to find suggestions right now. You can do a bunch of different things with this, but the most basic thing is to actually find the top related keywords. So to research that, go ahead and type in whatever topic you want or a keyword. We're going to go ahead and do pencil for this one, and then we're going to click on get keywords. For me, as you can see, I have to run a new search because I've done that already. And after that, it's going to start fetching data. And within just a few seconds, you'll be able to see a few things. Here, you can go ahead and use a bunch of different filters. You can put in some numbers over here, and it's going to basically adjust accordingly to these filters you put in here, which can be very handy for more deep and more precise keyword research. Down here, you can see the keyword search summary, the keyword distribution, Amazon search volume, as well as the word frequency. If you go down a bit more though, here you'll be able to see the actual keywords. So you can filter them up here. You can go ahead and see the keyword phrases. You can check mark them, see their keyword sales, their Magnet IQ scores, search volume trends, etc. And this is how you can actually do your keyword research. Now, if you'd like to reveal the ABA total click share and conversion share, you can go ahead and just basically connect this. So you're going to have to click on here, and then you're going to have to connect to Amazon to actually be able to view this. Currently, I'm not connected to my Amazon seller account, so I can't show these data over here, but you'll be able to, and they will get unblurred once you connect your Amazon by clicking here and just clicking connect to Amazon. So that's pretty much how you use Helium 10 for keyword research. And after you have your keywords, you can go ahead and analyze them over here. You can enter them, and then you can analyze the keywords on the list for more deep understanding of those keywords. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.